Hey Trader Shane from GMT Futures and FX. Just wanted to run you through one of our swing trading systems on crude, and this is forming part of our multi-system strategy on crude oil. We've been through a couple of systems on crude, and this is another one to add to our multi-system strategy. So when I talk about a multi-system strategy, what I'm talking about is a combination of multiple systems trading on the one market. And the idea there is that you've got multiple campaigns or multiple strategies trading on one market to increase your overall net profit and reduce your overall drawdown. So that's the concept of the multi-system approach, and this is just a great strategy. This is one put together by Clyde, one of our pro traders, and I'll just take you through the numbers here because they're quite impressive. Over the last 12 months, this system is a newer one, so it's still tracking along and doing really well despite the relative bias on crude, as we've spoken about before, the short bias. So 111 trades, 45% strike rate, massive average trade net profit of 286. The profit factor or ratio of average win to loss is 2.94, and our profit factor is 2.41. The drawdown is at 2544, so that's not too bad. It's not for a smaller account, but definitely some good profits there on that strategy. And you can see that it's had a really good start to the year, and it continues to perform well. If we have a look at the monthly breakdown, it's only had really one bad month, which is September, which coincides well with coincides with our increase on volatility in September, which affected our 3-minute breakout strategy as well. So you'll find that as we go through our multi-system strategy, one of our keys was to find a system that would help us reduce the drawdown in September and potentially reduce the drawdown in January. And we've found that because this system has performed outstandingly well in January, but not as systems that have a very high average trade net profit. So that, for us, the good thing about this strategy is that too, it's a balance with longs and shorts. You can see there that we've got the balance right between longs and shorts. It's a very good, even though we've had a short bias on crude, this thing is running very, very well. So that's the Fortress Swing Trader, and as I mentioned before, performing exceptionally well. And we'll keep monitoring that as part of our crude multi-system strategy. Thanks. Cheers.